What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I got some friends coming over, and there's the MGs outside. Looks like we're gonna have good weather for a while, so we're gonna do some work outside. We went through and spent just around $200 at API, and we got roll-lock discs, reducers. This is the primer for the aluminum. Chrome-free etching primer. That's what you need for aluminum. That's why I'm having issues. We won't have any more issues. Stick around, guys. Stay tuned. We're gonna have all kinds of fun today. All right, we got Chris in the house. My buddy Dave working on the hood. Working in the hood, on the hood. Side. Hood's coming along. Both doors are sanded down so we can start body work. There's Mr. Chris in the house. He's helping out and learning body work along the way. So he's working on the patch panel that we welded in. And I got the trunk. I'm sorry, the boot. But got it all stripped down, so any spot that it's bare, you actually have to spray with etching primer to cut into it and then overlay it. So we're gonna keep working. You guys can keep watching. We got etching primer on, except for one door, which Dave is here working and Haley's helping.
Supervisor.
Oh, is Haley being supervisor? Showing you how it's done right?
If it's not straight, she tells me.
Oh, okay.
Keep working, it's not straight.
I get to pound it.
Alright, go ahead.
Alright, well you go ahead and show them.
Right across here.
We got etching primer on the hood, so at least it won't peel. We got this etched out, so it won't peel. We got Chris over here standing like there's no tomorrow. This is gonna be a sweet car when we're done. Lots of work, but awesome nonetheless. Well, we're halfway there. Mr. Dave's leaving. Got a butt ton done so far. He got the hood done, he got that door almost done. Trunk panel's done. I'm gonna work this door, because I did it the first time. Mr. Chris got a butt ton of work on those fenders. Guys, we're kicking ass. Dave's got to roll because he's got a family life. He acts like that's important.
It's my excuse to stop sanding.
We all need an excuse. So, Dave, I appreciate it.
No problem. Glad to help. Glad to help.
Chris, you sticking around or you still tired? No. Awesome.
Rejuvenated.
Chris and I are going to continue. All right, Chris, say bye, everybody.
Bye.
Walk you out to your car. Dude, you kicked ass. Friggin' awesome. I love this car.
Hilarious. Oh, I'm in historic.
I love it.
It definitely needs
That hood's. Yeah.
Oh, absolutely.
I have another hatch.
I think we have a mower back here that's got glass in it instead of that shit.
I love that license plate.
I have.
I'd put that on my car. Peace out, dude.
Squeaky.
Watch you rolling coal.
Yeah, it's probably going to.
I'm done videoing for tonight. I got tons more work I'm gonna do, but all this is block sand. All that dust. So I throw the primer on. It's a filler primer, and block it out. So my next hours and days is gonna have one of these in my hand. And it's all about blocking this out to make sure there is no imperfection. So we look at that and like I can pop a little icing there. But for now, guys, I'm done videoing. I'm gonna keep block sanding. I got days and days worth of block sanding to go. So until the next time, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the flip side.